Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip pros. Today, we're looking at a vegetable peeler. Yes, off to the kitchen you go. It's the best way for stripping down your statice when you're preparing it. So you bring it in, it has these wings on the side. Just peel them off, just like so. It makes it easier to insert into the foam. It also keeps it from rotting in the bucket of water when you store it. So it's just a matter of peeling down the sides, cleaning it up, repeating on each of the stems. Then once you have it all peeled, go back, give it a fresh cut, put it in storage, and you're good to know. Now you know the pro tip for statice with a peeler.